Today is the International Biodiversity Day. We celebrate this day on 22nd May. This day is very important regarding the understanding of the biodiversity all over the world. What actually the biodiversity? We see in the nature different type of plants, animals, microbes. Whole this nature is called biodiversity. This biodiversity is hidden in the different form, just like different type of plants, different type of animals, different type of microbes. This all is the biodiversity, and all this biodiversity is interrelated. Life depends on life. We take the food, and food we take from the plants. Plant is also having the living being, and we depends on them. At the same way, all the living beings are interconnected, and we are going to see biodiversity loss day by day. So we must have to think over this. What we can do on this? Biodiversity is the complex word scientifically, but simply we have to think regarding the biodiversity. We have to maintain our life. We have to maintain our health. We must have to connect with the nature. We have to use the natural products instead of medicines. Everything is hidden in the nature, just like soil, sunlight, water, air. Everything has the power that can heal us. We have to think regarding this, and also we must have to avoid the overshow. Just like we are going to see the industrialization and modernization, whatever the construction of cities, all these things are affecting on the biodiversity. We can think human population is increasing. This is also the important cause. We can control the human population also, and along with this we have to think regarding the biodiversity also. Why we cannot avoid this petrol, diesel, kerosene? We have to use bicycle maximum. We have to use for agriculture purposes that whatever the kerosene, diesel, that machineries, much loss there to the nature. We have to use the natural fertilizer, just like cow dung, buffalo dung, vermicompost, compost, and at individual level we have to maintain our own ecosystem, our own ecology. How we can live, how we can give the nature, how we can take from the nature without any disturbance. This we have to think. We can do this at many level, at health level also, at agriculture level also, at our housing system also, just like natural ways. Okay, so many things are there we have to maintain. Otherwise what will happen if we are not maintaining the biodiversity? Instead of planting the trees, we are cutting the trees. How dangerous this will be? At individual level, if we are planting the trees nearby our houses, roadside, in our field, how much benefit this to the whole world? This is not the subject of any country, any caste, or any religion. This is the global subject, and I am doing this global work. Really I am happy today on this biodiversity day. If everything is understood and everyone has taken the initiative regarding this, then definitely we can do much. But time is very less, we have to start. Simply we can start from tree plantation also, using natural fertilizers, using healthy lifestyle, exercise, yoga, pranayam, and we have to use the digital notebook, digital book, because so much cost cutting of trees in making the notebook and books. Different things, just like medicines we take, that is also from the plants, no, trees cutting. So we have to use the natural remedies, no? everything in the nature. We have to think regarding this, and definitely we can achieve this success in maintaining the biodiversity, and we can also save our mother earth, and, and in our future also, whatever the future generations, we have to think regarding them. Otherwise the nature will attack us in any form, just like corona, HIV. Okay, if we are maintaining the nature, nature will help us. If we are not maintaining the nature, definitely nature will attack on us in any form. So we have to be just like the friend. Nature must have to be our friend. We must have to behave with the nature as a friend, and there is so many hidden things in the nature. Just we have to wander in the nature, we have to understand in the nature different plants, animals, soil, their correlations, ecosystems. This should be our hobby. If we are maintaining this, definitely our success. And I am happy today I am talking on the biodiversity on this International Biodiversity Day. So this is my godly work. So subscribe my channel, share the videos, like. So again and again I will work on this. My channel is regarding biology, Nike biology, but my main work is on global level to maintain the biodiversity. So give your suggestions, your feedbacks, that will also motivate me. And on different level I will make the video on biodiversity. So think on these and give your frank suggestions. Thank you all of you. Happy Biodiversity Day.